What's up, y'all? SCS and another one. Steve Davis _CG is my only Instagram. Steve Davis is the only one authorized to take any payments for SCS. Steve Davis or SCS does not accept Cash App for payment. Okay. Now, man, this electrical was very crazy looking. So I'm here to tell y'all that I'm about to do it myself. I called my electrical people out. They told me just to do, I had all the supplies, all the everything. Just to do what I had, it would have been $625. Like, all right, let's do it, which is kind of like $325 an hour, but you pay for the job. So like, let's do it. Like, yeah, when we done to Monday. It's Friday. This thing needs to be working tonight. So I was like, man, if you can't guarantee it, I don't know. Probably not, but it ain't that much work, man, because I don't make $325 hours, so that's why I be telling y'all time to money ratio. You gotta pick and choose, and this is one that I just chose to go ahead and knock out myself, because I was gonna pay them at first. But all right, we gonna change this to 2 single 20s and put that in my notes. But this is a double 30 split, one going down this leg and the other one is shooting out there going somewhere. So I got the charger. It's like a test probe, so I just move stuff around. So I got 2 wires that's plugged up, was literally dead. Show y'all real quick. This one dead, this one dead. Like, it don't go to nothing, it don't look like. And the way they ran and stuff, like this one right here, you got this running to 2 wires running to here. So literally, look, all of this is running down here. So I'm taking all this out. And then we'll put the wire for a 20 amp breaker in here and daisy chain it, because that's what you could do. You can run it right here, chop the wire, extend the wire back through here, and then you connect all 3. So this, and this, connect them all. Same thing down here, cut it. You gotta open it here, wire here, and the one from here, connect them all. And then you just got the one running down. This thing got 3 wires, okay, that's good. So I actually could use that, keep that in there, and just splice it. But these are single. So all of these, they're running all the way to the fuse box. Everything for this opening. So I'm about to shorten that. And then, yeah, I guess I could just run a wire from down to here to there, and then connect them over there. Y'all, so my plan actually went this plan. It's looking like a whole lot less already. Just that one. Like, I could really clean this thing up like I wanted to, but just needed to be better and needed to work correctly. So now I'm about to go to the store and get the little stuff that I do need, and we'll tighten all this. So it's crazy because this side, it's the side I'm working on. It's gonna look awesome. This side is gonna look like who did it. Home Depot. Returning all of these pieces that I bought, because I just took mine off the wall at home. Bam, $43. Alright, got what I need to finish. Flex connectors. I need these Phillips pieces. 220 amp. Single pole 20 amps. I'm gonna put on the top one. Got these from home. About to finish that wall up and have that done. But I'm a time lapse when I get back on the panel, but I'm finna knock all this out real quick. I tell you, I can't make this up, man. Look, this MC cable here goes right there to the bathroom. And I was wondering why the bathroom didn't work. The cable was in here. Nothing. Let's cut it back off. This 20 amp, the new one I just bought. Bathroom light on. This stuff is so damn raggedy, bro. Like, shit. This is so raggedy, boy. All right, man. So I'm like pretty blown right now. I now see why some stuff was empty on this breaker, right? Everything off this has no power. So this top bar, it needs 2 bars. That explains why there was empty circuits on it. So I'm hoping it's just a bad connection, because I'm looking back at the video, I'm like, that explains why the bathroom went out. Why a whole wall wasn't working. So I don't know. Pretty bummy. About to close. Go home, man. Everything work at home. Shit. Y'all about to have some cocoa melon and stuff, but yeah, man, I had to come home because I got frustrated. Like, man, that was the only thing that I was getting the least resistance with. Like, yeah, everything was going like it's supposed to go, and shoot. And boom. Like, this project was definitely not something I expected to do anytime soon, but it was just like, all right, I got the option. This is what I've been wanting. All right, let's get it. And that's how it happened. So, setting up, like, I'm finna tell y'all, everybody that want to shop and stuff, setting up one person, it is not gonna be easy. So you still gotta do the work that you plan on doing. You gotta do everything you gotta do to set up. You gotta still manage your time. What all you gotta do, man? Like, it's not that easy, man. Like, everybody probably thinking it's easy. Like, people like, keep going. Man, it is hard to keep going. It's hard to keep going at the same pace. Like, some stuff you might knock out quick, and some stuff you be like, damn, he still doing that? Man, it ain't easy. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, but I'm making it happen. But so I can't do nothing. I gotta call Georgia Power Monday. It's Friday. It's happening. I had to just make it happen on Friday so I could work Saturday and Sunday, and then boom. I wish I would have did it yesterday. That way I could have called him today, and then. But 2 days right here. It's like I'm forced to take a break, but I can just work with stuff that I can do by hand. Like I said, I always got stuff to do, man. But this is frustrating because I'm literally at the finish line. I'm like, dang, I'm literally at the finish line. So, and then in the old video, in the not the video, last video, but the video before last, when I said prepping electrical and equipment placement, I went back and looked at this picture right here. This top breaker is off. A lot of the stuff, like, once I took breakers off and I was like, okay, everything on this leg does not work. A lot of the stuff wasn't working originally, so I didn't know. Like, I was like, yeah, maybe this broke, maybe that's broke. I kind of want to rewire the whole shop after I did that one wall, and it really didn't take that long. I kind of want to rewire every wall, because it's literally 5 runs going through one pipe. Like, it's like, who did this? Because it's, man, I was just like, Jesus. And then how much dust and ash is in the box. It's like, did something catch fire here? Or what? Like,
the next day.
right, man. I am done here. This last screw. Alright, when I tell y'all they in that tight too, I'll worry about it loosening up. Alright, that's in there. Alright, now for this, they put a big thing here. I'm gonna take that out. I'm finna take this out. I bought a bus bar to try to connect to it, but when I actually looked at the wires, you got an option for a big wire for, let's see, for this 8.2, but it ain't even that big. It'll fit in there no problem. So like I said, I just took this out and then it'll be good. I bought a bus bar to go on there, but I ain't gonna even need it. So all of this is done. I think I'm about to do the grounds real quick and then I'll leave the powers hanging. But man, this wall is trash. And then I'm about to go to the other side and confirm this off. I mean, this dead, so I'll turn that back off. This top one dead too, turn that off. Yeah, this whole leg is dead. So I'm gonna just run these grounds real quick and then I ain't gonna even cut the powers because it ain't going in yet. So I'm gonna knock that out and then we about to go to a birthday party. Okay guys, we are done. So man, I'm thinking, man, I just might end up rewiring the whole shop. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. And this is what. Yeah, this goes straight around. It's on the same side of the wall, boom. And it go all the way to the lights. And then you got this. This goes to all the way around and everything in the shop. So I don't know why it'd be 10 wires coming through there. Because all that's not needed. And then you got a lot of grounds. This could be just 120 amp run, pigtail at each connection where it opens up. It don't open up over there at all. It don't open up over here at all. It splits up here to run everything with this. The wall, the closet light. I think it was a light over there. And this stuff. And these lights and everything over here. And the one right here that run on this wall, like I say, it just run at the same spot across all the way. Boom, 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 boom. Control all the lights and the light outside. So I already seen you, Logan. Come on, we gotta go. So I don't know why to be out on wires. I just don't understand. I really don't. Just to clean up in the junction box. I mean, just to clean up in the service panel, I literally could run everything from there because I see where it's split. And like I say, all this is just plain something connected here. I think this for the light in the office. Yeah, I think that's what that is. So I could just run from there all the way to here. And the connector need to be fixed. Never really noticed it. I think that's what I just might do. I think about 100 feet of wire to have me straight. Also, wanted to record y'all for this part. It's another reason why I put these right here too, is because when this not running, when it get cold outside, if it get like, say less than 60 in here, I'm gonna have one big heater, one big shop heater. And if that don't do good, I'm gonna get two. But I got two 220s that are 30 and 40 amp capable that can run the air. I'm making sure I ain't leaving. I gotta take some stuff home because I can't even work up here. All right, so coming in, we got power on all of them. Coming out in the middle, it's the one with nothing. All right, man, so yeah, we are really down the leg. I just showed y'all all the numbers and everything. So I contacted the property manager already. They're seeing what they could do. But I'm working from home till I can get my machine going. I can't do nothing like that. It's pretty pointless. But yeah, that's pretty crappy, man. We down power. And the unit, we ain't turned the power up. We ain't even turned it up, man, but we down. Crazy. But yeah, I'm pretty sure it's the breaker or the connection, but I'm thinking more towards the breaker. A couple days maybe, but we can work from home till then. And yeah, I'm about to close y'all out, man. SCS, I'm out. Next video y'all will see, I'll be introducing y'all to the next project, which shouldn't take no more than about 10 days, because almost everything there, we playing this ahead, which I try to do with every car, but some people do not want to plan ahead. So y'all stay tuned. SCS, man, I'm out.